Change of plans. So I am now starting off with my new craft project, which is this lace frontal wig. So I know I said I was going to use this kinky straight, like my first try wig from a couple years ago, frontal, but I actually have this wig, lace front right here. And it started to bald, but it is already cut to the corners of my head. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I mean, otherwise I would have to trash the wig. So at least I can repurpose that that frontal, and it has a lot more parting space too, I hope. Although I'm gonna have to do the same thing because it started balding. I'm gonna have to cut back probably. Cut back a little, a bit, and hopefully it won't be as bald as much, but it's already cut, so I'm thinking about doing that. Now I saw people use kind of like various techniques when they're doing like a lace frontal crochet wig. I kind of want you guys' opinion. So I got the braided cap, and it's cool because it has a comb here and a comb in the back right here. So right now I'm thinking of like crocheting or sewing this down, because you see it's just a little bit too big. And then if I put the frontal on, then the frontal will be taut to kind of like the cap, right? And maybe I would not need a elastic band if it's right. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. So if I like at least maybe crochet a piece or sew this up in the front, and then I'm gonna turn around the back. I know what I'm trying to say, right? Like if I sew this up right here, right? Then I'm going to put that part in the back because no one's going to see kind of like that gappiness, and crochet the back. Then when I use this side to actually put my frontal on it, then it should hopefully be taut from that perspective. So hopefully you guys follow that. Hey, it's DIY. It's DIY, so that's what we're going to try to do. This is going to be a long project. I'm already feeling tired, which is good. But my goal tonight is just to cut off that frontal off of that old ass wig, and at least get the frontal part right with this cap, and the rest should be easy peasy with the crocheting. That's like my favorite thing to do. So easy. And hopefully this comes out as a slay, because I definitely miss my faux locks. And I think I told y'all, did I tell y'all that I'm on hair hideaway for this whole year? I don't think. Yeah, I think the next time, if I'm gonna go get a trim in the summertime on my real hair, but I'm not gonna wear it out. Like, I'm over that. I want to really focus and do some growth. Focus on growth and thickness, and my hair is getting a lot more thicker. It just always stops right here at shoulder length. So anyway, this is gonna be a cool project, and I just wanted y'all thoughts on that. Yo, I got a new wig head. I mean, it's still a little bit too big. My circumference is actually like 20 inches and a quarter, but I figure it's better to kind of play it safe, because when you're, I don't know about y'all, but when I'm sewing, I'm an amateur, right? Like, I'm not a professional. Sometimes it shrinks the wig, so I thought like this would be safe, plus with the elastic band, but at least it wouldn't be like 2 inches too big. It would just be like a quarter of an inch too big. Now I just got this wig head and I had another one, and already I can tell the difference. I'm going to leave the link below. If you are a beginner and you trying to, you know, get your wig craft up, there's several options on Amazon. Definitely I'm over the styrofoam joint. She's been beat up, colored, and all of that. She's good to have for coloring. You don't want to mess this one up. But yeah, this one already feels like legitly 5 times better than the other one. The other one I had, I'm gonna show y'all. Here's the other one I had that I actually like. It feels so much lighter, and that's because at the end of the day, beneath this is styrofoam. It actually, this one was obviously too big, and I don't know. And what's crazy is, like, I'm gonna leave a review on Amazon for sure. Is that this one was more expensive. So yeah, this one was way more expensive. But you know, I think like a couple of doors more expensive. The other one, I'm like telling y'all, F with that canvas head. I'm over it. We're over and done with that.